Hello everyone, this is Katie from Retekess. Some customers are wondering how the service call system works. We can take this product as an example because the working principle is the same, and the Retekess button can be paired with any one of Keypad, screen receiver or watch receiver of Retekess. And the pager system is a service call system in restaurant for staff paging and guest service calls. The kitchen can call the restaurant server by using the Keypad transmitter, and this watch receiver can receive the call from this Keypad transmitter. Customers can call a waiter by the service call button, and it also can be widely used in the bars, cafes, banks, hotels, etc. And when it is used in the restaurant, after receiving the call from the kitchen, the waiter can quickly pick up the meal, and the kitchen staff only needs to concentrate on preparing the meal. If a new customer comes to the restaurant at this time, the waiter will receive an order reminder or payment reminder from the customer. Now we can test it. This Keypad transmitter is used in the kitchen. If the meal is ready, the kitchen staff can call this watch receiver, and this watch receiver is wired on the waiter staff. You can press the program button, enter the ID number of this watch receiver, press call button, and the waiter can receive the call from the kitchen. This call button is used for the customer if they need the service from the waiter. They can press this call. The waiter can receive the call from the call button. Before we use this system, we should pair this watch receiver with this Keypad transmitter and the call button. And how to pair the watch receiver to these two products, we should back to the main interface and press this button, press A button and choose pairing. Extension pair. EXT pair means the extension pair. It means we can choose this to pair this call button with a watch receiver. Press this button to confirm. We can see an OK. And how to pair this Keypad to this watch receiver? It's the same. We can choose a pair and confirm. Press this B button, choose Kate pair. K18 means the Keypad pair. We can see the pager ID is 14. So when we call this watch receiver, we should enter the ID number 14 and press the call. The KBD means the Keypad ID number. So before we use this system, please make sure you have already paired the watch receiver with the call button and the Keypad transmitter. Hope this video is helpful for you.